Hey everybody, welcome back to Mud and Rust Workshop. Today we're going to be working on our Evolution LSD. We have a minor issue with our soundbar. We're actually going to be replacing it as a warranty replacement. We're going to get into it. We'll see a little bit about the Evolution. We've had it for about 3 months now, 70 miles or so. But we are going to take a look at it. Go ahead and replace this soundbar and take a look at a couple other things that we might have an issue with. So stay tuned, we're going to get it set up and we're going to get ready to replace that soundbar. So just so you can see, and it's a little bit difficult to see because of the glare, but we have the upper and lower strip of LEDs here not working, and the lower strip across the whole soundbar. So we're going to pull this out, replace it with the other unit, and see if we can't get that resolved. So this replacement should be relatively easy. There's one quick connect wiring harness that goes to the soundbar, and then there are kind of up here, you can't see them, 2 brackets, have a Phillips head screw on them to pull it out. Should be a pretty simple removal and reinstall. So it's a little easier to see from this side, but you can see the other side of the quick disconnect. Here's the bracket and where the nuts actually are. Now, my particular cart is a double nutted, so it's got a jam nut on top. So we're gonna get the top one pulled out on both sides, and then get the mounting bracket pulled out. All right, so we've got the old unit removed. I needed to correct something. It was not a jam nut, it was just a single nut on top of the Phillips head bolt. The other nut, and you can see it, but you can't, but it actually is welded to the top of this crossbar. So no need to worry about taking it out. So it's just a single Phillips head screwdriver, really, will get it out. All right, so we got our new soundbar. Gotta get our screws moved over to this one. Looks like a direct 1-for-1 replacement though, so it should go in relatively easily. Alright, so as you can see, we got a new light bar installed. Really simple to swap out. All our LEDs are working. Looks like all our colors are changing like they should. And really, Phillips head screwdriver in about 10 minutes and it was done. Now this is the OEM soundbar. It is not swapping it out for any of the exo gear or anything else. So this is a direct, OEM to OEM replacement, warranty replacement. But all in all, super easy to do. Phillips head screwdriver, a little bit of patience, and it's done. Appreciate you guys watching Mud and Rust Workshop. Feel free to like and subscribe to any of our content. We'd love to bring you more and more as we go through working on our stuff.